Everywhere I go with my laptop, I take a portable display along with me, and as you can see here, you could be pretty productive with two screens like this. You could put a spreadsheet over here, a web browser, or a Google Drive, or Google Docs over here, but sometimes if you're working on a project that requires a whole lot of inputs, one screen isn't enough, and maybe even two extra screens isn't enough. But what if you could do 3 extra displays in addition to your laptop? Well, you can, and you could take it with you. This is an Aura Display triple 1080p 15.6-inch monitor, which is the equivalent of a 43-inch widescreen display that you can carry around. So the formal name of this product is the Triple Aero 15.6-inch Pro Max, and as mentioned, this is from Aura Displays. Aura Displays specializes in portable monitors. Some of them are doubles, some of them are triples, some of them are singles, but this particular one is a standalone unit, as you can see on a frame. Some of them that they sell actually stick to the back of the laptop lid and fold out, sort of like wings off of the main screen. But this one is a standalone unit, and if you take your laptop, you could actually put it in front so that you'll end up with a 4-display arrangement around it. So there's a bunch of ways that you could hook up this unit. There are 3 discrete mini HDMI inputs if you want to have inputs from multiple devices. For instance, a console game and a computer and something else. But we're just going to use USB-C today for the purposes of this demo. I'm plugging in right now the power delivery. This goes to a wall jack. That's a USB-C power delivery connection there. And then another USB-C to USB-C cable here goes into the display input, and then the display output on my laptop over here. So we're doing DisplayPort over USB-C, so any laptop that you connect to this is going to have to support DisplayPort over USB-C to output to here. Now, you might have noticed, once I fired it up, that it's only showing on one screen over here. Once you set up this machine, there's actually a SiliconMotion driver that you need to install to enable the 4-screen capability. A lot of laptops only support outputs of, say, 1 or 2 external monitors, so you need a special driver to be able to spread everything out across 4 screens. So we've got it all set up over here now. What I ended up doing was going into display settings after I messed around with the driver and dragged the monitors into the proper order so that you could move your cursor from one to the other smoothly off the right side and onto the left side of the next monitor, and then up and down from the top monitor to the lower one. So we have here a 15.6-inch LCD rig that is 1080p on each screen. Now that may or may not match up with whatever your particular laptop screen is, so you'll want to take a look, if you're considering something like this, whether those resolutions and that screen size works for you. For instance, this is a 14-inch laptop I have below, and these are 15.6-inch screens, so you may or may not find this a good match for what you have. So there aren't too many features on this apart from the 3 screens and the ability to fold it up, which I'll show you in a moment. Underneath the panel here, next to the 2 USB connectors, are a series of buttons for the on-screen display, brightness, and volume. If you're hooking up through USB-C or HDMI and it's carrying the audio signal through, there are a couple of speakers in the center of the unit here in this particular panel. They don't sound super impressive, but they do the job if you just need basic audio going out into the room. So these 3 panels are, as I mentioned, 1080p panels. They're not like gaming grade or content creator grade. They're 60 hertz refresh rate, and they support 100% of sRGB, but a lot of panels do, and there are no particular specs given as for other color spaces. So when we do our testing on this, we'll be able to inform you about how they do for some of the other color spaces. So you'll notice I've been talking about this as a portable monitor, but you wouldn't think that something this big and with this big a frame would be portable, but in a sense it is. Let's bring in one of the displays this way and one of the displays this way. So you have an exposed display on this side and a protected back of the display on this side. Then you fold it downwards. And then you've got these 2 legs here, which I found are a little tricky to release. They have sort of a notch in them that keeps the display upwards. Let's try it one more time. There we go. There's also a middle notch there that can let the whole thing be angled backwards. And then you've got a carryable, slightly over 8-pound little briefcase of 3 monitors here. So we're going to put the Triple Aero through its paces in PC Labs shortly and test the display quality and other aspects of it. Stay tuned to PCMag.com for a full review of this monitor and other portable displays.